maybe I should split this into 2 parts, or maybe not. So Shan wanna know where you got a cute black sandals. I've seen your pics a couple times. Thanks. My boyfriend got the sandals for me, and you know, when I saw this question, you know, I asked him and I pulled up the Facebook and I forgot. Let me just look now so I can tell him. The sandals is from Divine Collection, JA Collection with a K on Facebook. So yeah, I'll leave her link. No, I'll leave her link in the comment section. So the next question: do you ever feel complacent about your job and career, and if yes, what's your ideal career choice or passion? Okay, so yes, I do feel a little bit what? Yes, so sometimes I do feel a little bit no. Okay, so I had to do a voiceover. So I do feel complacent in my current job, in the sense that I feel like based on my age I should have achieved more, and it's like I'm just in this little box and I need to come out of this box. So I don't know. But yeah, I do feel complacent, but in the same sense, I'm outside of my 9 to 5. I'm actually doing makeup, which is something that I love, which is something that I want to branch out into. So yeah, I feel complacent, but I guess I'm working on bettering myself. But my dream career right now, honestly truly, is to be a full-time makeup artist, like traveling the world doing makeup. You know, I want to be the next big thing. You know, when you hear Mstoofine or Glam by Tash or Tashana, you know, you just say, yo, the big bad makeup artist in Jamaica. You know, that's where I want to be, and I'm working on it. Listen, mega get there, trust me. So another question is, does having a baby change the relationship you have with your friends, and how did it change the dynamic of how you relate to your boyfriend slash baby daddy? I hate that word. Wedding bells soon. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to get married soon, but we have the conversation that I want to get married, so he knows, and yes, he wants to get married. So until he pops the question, I have no idea when the wedding bells will be ringing. But the baby, like, honestly, person say, you know your friends when you have your kid, like my baby, if it did anything for my friendships, it made it better. Like, my friends pulled through. Like, every time my friend them pull through, yo, I love my friend them. It changed our relationship for the better. Like, we grew so much closer. Oh my god, yo, big up my friend them. You know, as it relates to my relationship, you know, as I said, my baby was planned, and you know, if anything, the relationship also got better. We are so much closer. Like, oh my god, you know, sometimes I just look at myself and say, I have a family, like this is my little family. Oh my god, my battery is dying, so I keep looking at it, and hours a night now. This is like 9:30. I'm doing this video, so I'm trying to see if I can finish. But yeah, our relationship has been great since the baby. But initially it started out, you know, it did rocky. It still have its ups and downs, but I think we have grown so much since the baby. It should have came the perfect time, honestly, truly. So are you planning on giving Princess Lee a sibling in the future? In the future, when I'm married, maybe. But right now, no more babies. No more babies right now. I'm sorry. Another question. I know you and hubby have been together for a while. Have you guys discussed marriage? Yes, when we started out, we did discuss. We have discussed it time and time again. He knows I want to get married. I'm not going to force anybody to marry me, but he knows, and he wants to get married as well. So I guess when he's ready, he will pop the question. But yeah, we have discussed. Amoy says, I love you too, sis. Love you, girl. So Moya asks, what's the hardest part about being a mom? The hardest part about being a mom is free time. Like, you have absolutely no free time. You're always like on the go. Like, yo, I miss sleeping in late. I miss just coming home from work and just going to bed because I'm tired and I want to sleep. A baby takes up so much of your time, but there is nothing. I don't regret bringing a baby into this world. Like, she's the best thing that has ever happened to me, honestly, truly, and she has changed me in so many ways. But yeah, the hardest part about being a mom is no free time, baby, no free time. So another question is, what's your skincare routine? Your skin is flawless. Oh, thank you. I don't think my skin is flawless though, but I don't really have a routine, honestly. I just wipe up my face with wipes and baby oil, and I just wash it with a face. So another question is, what is it like to be a Jamaican YouTuber / MUA? Also, how you got started freelancing, and do you still freelance? Listen, being a YouTuber in Jamaica, I mean, I'm not the biggest thing, but it's okay, I guess. What the only thing I know with the Jamaican YouTuber is that we're not really privileged, you know, to get, you know, with companies, unless you are like a Petit Sue or a Lyric, I guess, because they're huge, they made a mark in the industry. MUA, on the other hand, is a lot of us, but trust me, I just think that it's really hard. It is a little bit hard to get bookings sometimes, especially if you are not known. Like, you know, persons more gravitate to popular persons, I guess. You know, you just have to try for those to push yourself, create looks and post it, which I'm going to start doing again because I have the potential. I know I can do it. It's just a matter of being known. So you have to push yourself to, you know, be amongst the others in the industry. Also, how I got started, well, I used to do makeup on myself, and then, you know, persons were saying, you're so good at it, you should do makeup. So I tried it on a friend once, and then from that day I never looked back, honestly. And I just watch videos, you know, how to take care of my kids, what to get and all of that. I can do a video telling you guys how, you know, how all that came about. And do I still freelance? Yes, I still freelance. It has its ups and downs, but trust me, it's getting better. And I know this year will be my year for shine, you know. So yeah, share your girl, you know, make them know Mstoofine and a big bad makeup artist to them for look out for in Jamaica, because I'm gonna mash up the place. But thank you guys so much for all the questions. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys get all your questions answered. But yeah, this video was a pretty cool video. I hope I answered the questions good. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye, babies. Oh my god, it's been a minute since I do videos. Damn.